So this is a vodka-based drink. So we're going to start out with vodka. Look, did we time that? Look at you. It's like we finish each other's
sentences. Married 16, together 20, and only the two of us the last 20 months. Not difficult to finish each other's sentences.
So I got vodka and I got cranberry.
Gotcha.
So basically now you have a vodka cranberry.
So he started with a Cosmo. How creative.
Sort of. This is just fresh squeezed orange juice. Adding a little bit of that. About a half an ounce per drink. Then this is simple syrup, which is very simple. It's half sugar, half water. Heat it up until the sugar melts, and then you can keep it in a little squeezy bottle in the fridge.
I'm a little obsessed with the squeezy bottles. I have a problem. I have a lot of squeezy bottles. I have a whole drawer full of squeezy bottles. And I put dry things in the squeezy bottles, too, like flour when I'm making pizza, spice seasonings and stuff. I got a squeezy bottle issue.
We have drawers and drawers of squeezy bottles. Oh!
Okay, can I just say, I broke the book, he broke the glass. Mazel, all good things.
Anyway, I got plenty of time to shake and chill this.
Do you happen to have one more glass that we'll try not to break? Thank you so much. Well, at least make one of them, hon.
I'm gonna make one cocktail and you can have it.
Aww, and I will.
Hopefully I won't break anything else. So you put that in there, and then you're going to top it with hard apple cider.
Those are the wrong glasses. This glass. They're like pointing behind the camera. They're like, go back there. I'm like, that ain't the same glass.
Then, for garnish...
Wait, was that hard cider? What was
hard
that?
cider, yes.
Hard cider.
So it's a little bubbly and a little...
What about the rosemary?
We're getting there. So the garnish is going to be a fresh rosemary sprig.
Oh, we couldn't find any matches, and we did a test over the break with our friends as to whether or not spaghetti, lavender, or a bamboo skewer would set on fire the fastest, since we can't find matches. Oh, a glass! Thank you, Big Ben! Oh, you know what? You can put mine in this, because that's a pint glass.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, you need fire for the big finish,
I need fire.
Right?
So you could garnish just with a zest of an orange. Just use a vegetable peeler, take the skin off an orange, and squeeze it over the drink. But I'm going to amp it up a little bit and do a flamed orange peel, which will kind of caramelize.
I'm working on the flame part. Just build the other drink.
I'm building the other drink. So when you flame an orange peel, first of all, it looks kind of cool.
Oh, finish one.
Oh, here we go. So look what happens. You squeeze it over there, and it sparks a little bit.
And it flames up. It's very pretty.
I know you can't see it in the back row, but it did really spark up. And then that caramelizes the oils in the orange peel and adds a little, like, caramelly flavor to the drink.
That is beautiful, honey.